You reek of weed right now?
Yes, he does.
You reek so bad, I think I'm gonna get high just from you standing in front of me. Davon Wheeler.
And just like that bond revoked, Mr. Wheeler's not going home tonight. When judges say you go with me, that means you're trading your street clothes for County Orange. Did you see this coming?
Mr. Wheeler, you're charged with possession of marijuana. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because it's in a drug-free zone. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
Boom, there it is. 5 days after getting bond, he picks up another charge. The court has paperwork showing he agreed not to commit any new crimes. What's the point of a bond agreement if you treat it like a throwaway menu?
You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews in the state of Texas. You cannot afford a lawyer. A lawyer will be appointed to represent you. Does he reek of weed right now?
Yes, he does.
You reek so bad, I think I'm gonna get high just from you standing in front of me. Okay, please.
Yes, Your Honor, on
My God.
24 officer at Teeny's Food Mart in Harris County, Texas, saw defendant making hand-to-hand transactions with an unidentified male. Also believed the hand-to-hand transaction to coincide with the...
That last line is key. Tiny's Food Mart is in a drug-free zone. Translation? Every transaction there carries higher legal stakes. Elsa hiding weed in your boxers while being watched by police? Not exactly Ocean's 11 level strategy.
Possession and distribution of narcotics and or marijuana. The defendant observed officer and placed a clear plastic bag that contained a green leafy substance inside the front of his boxers. Wheeler turned around and attempted to flee the scene. Wheeler was advised a dog would be deployed and stopped when he heard the dog barking. Wheeler was detained without incident. The green leafy substance was retrieved from...
That last line is key. Tiny's Food Mart is in a drug-free zone. Translation? Every transaction there carries higher legal stakes. Elsa hiding weed in your boxers while being watched by police? Not exactly Ocean's 11 level strategy.
Wheeler's person. The green leafy substance weighed at 0.5 ounces. Teeny's Food Mart is in a drug-free zone.
So this gentleman here was on bond for a case and he not picked up a new case. Did he have the bond conditions to not pick up any new cases? Wheeler. We tell you not to pick up any new cases while you're on bond. Otherwise, the PR bond that you get is revoked and you get put into jail. You were on bond for criminal trespass. You've now picked up another case, and also you're here and you reek of weed so bad, you must have just stopped smoking right now.
Okay, let's pause. Did you catch that repeat? The judge is so overwhelmed by the smell she says it twice. Dramatic? Maybe. But also setting the tone. This is a courtroom, not a cloud of smoke. Have you ever seen a judge this blunt about, well, being around blunts?
Judge, actually, it's the other way around. He was on bond for the PON. That arrest was out of April 24th, 2024. And
Oh, I see.
He picked up a trespass in April 24th.
Okay, so we're here on conditions
Right
of
off the
bond
bat,
on 424,
the smell test is
not
on
to pick
full
up any new
blast.
cases, and now,
But here's the
5 days
serious
later,
part. Wheeler's being
picked up
charged with possession of
criminal
marijuana in a drug-free zone.
I mean, am I wrong?
That's
you're right,
not
yeah.
just to
April
label it
25th.
enhances the
April
charge
25th,
to a Class A
yeah,
misdemeanor.
yeah.
Meaning? 1. Year in jail or up to $4,000 in fines. Yep, we just got a lot more expensive.
I thought we were here on the weed case, so we're here on the trespass then.
Judge, because he never, so before he approached this court on the marijuana case, he has since picked up the trespass case. But he was on bond for the marijuana case before he approached here and picked up the trespass.
So I'm sorry, so he's charged with the criminal trespass here, not the weed.
Both.
Both, right, but what, the reason he's in front of me now is for a criminal trespass, because that's the new case stuff.
He's never approached, he's never been here on the possession of marijuana case. That happened April 24th. And on April 29th, he picked up the criminal trespass. He never approached this court on either case.
I have here that he signed conditions of bond on 4/24, not to pick up any new cases, and now 5 days later, he's picked up a criminal trespass. I mean, am I wrong?
Oh, you're right, yes, April 20th.
No.
April 25th, it has judge's signature, yeah. It says, yeah, the defendant shall commit no crime and shall not engage in conduct that could result in his or her arrest.
It's not looking good for you, Mr. Wheeler. It's Altamirano, right?
Yes, sir.
Welcome back. Mr. Wheeler, I'm revoking your bond and I'm keeping you with me. He goes with you. Can you please appoint Mr. Wheeler a lawyer, and then we will talk about what